Welcome back to my channel. So this is me, Mihika, and today we are going to learn about one more Python code. First we'll open our Python editor, Code Sculptor 3. We will Control A and delete the stuff. And today we are going to learn how to take the input from the user and then write it. So here we will ask the name and school of the user and it will be displayed on the output. So let's start. So this is a code. First we write store input data. This means that the data would be stored. The input data would be stored. Then we write name equals to input bracket exclamation that quotation marks and enter your name. And don't forget brackets, and these small things matter a lot because a few things can also change the whole code. Then we'll write school name equals to input bracket quotation marks and enter your school name. Till here, is it clear to you? If yes, write in the comment box below. Now let's start. Hashtag display the input data. We'll write once again this type of thing. जो डेटा आपके है पीछे वो डिस्प्ले हो जाएगा. अब डिस्प्ले होएगा. उस टाइम वो स्टोर हो रहा था और अब ये डिस्प्ले हो जाएगा. इसके बाद हम लिखेंगे प्रिंट ब्रैकेट quotation marks name. So then name again with a few symbols. So these symbols are very important. अगर आपने एक इधर उधर छोड़ दिया तो आपका कोड काम नहीं करेगा. Then you will again write print school name and school name once again. तो school name जो आपने बाद में लिखा है उसका मतलब कि जो डेटा यूजर ने दिया है वो आएगा. तो now let's test this code. हम run में क्लिक करेंगे and see कि हमें पूछा input from enter your name. हमने लिखा जैसे मैंने लिखा मीका J. Now when I will enter it will ask me tell your school name. So I wrote my school's name Khaitan Public School. Now I will enter it. Now see name and school name both are coming. So that's all for today. We keep learning and bye bye for now.